is a step-by-step guide to installing and activating your eSIM on iPhone. Step 1. Make sure you are in a strong Wi-Fi or data. Step 2. Choose the eSIM of your choice and buy it. We have a different video on how to buy an eSIM on MobiMatter. Check that video out for any doubts. Step 3. Once you purchase an eSIM on the app, you will see Order Summary screen. Here you can see the tab Install a SIM Now. Click on this and click Install. Now click Allow. Click Continue. Once you see this message, click Done. Your eSIM will appear here. Step 4. You have to select and activate this line by clicking Turn on the line and also clicking Data Roaming. Also note that you can install the eSIM anytime before your flight and activate the line upon landing in the new country. The moment you activate your line, your validity starts running. And that's how you install and activate your eSIM for iPhone. If you face any issues, refer to our other videos on YouTube or contact customer support at mobimatter.com/troubleshoot.